We're in Dunlap, I think. Dunlap or Jasper, I don't know. But I'm heading to two different places today. Cloudland Canyon. And then maybe if I have time, I'll go to Noccalula Falls. Oh my gosh. That's some thick gravel right there. I almost got stuck in that. But right now, we're taking the scenic route because y'all know I love to take the back roads. Honestly, this is why I don't ask people to come with me, because they don't like it when I insist on taking the long way. I mean, you miss everything when you get out on that main highway.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn right to Tennessee 28.
All right, we're heading up the mountain here to Cloudland Canyon. That's where we're going right there. If you can see the dip in the mountain. I hope I can get at least 10 minutes of video out of it. I've never been here before, so I don't know how quick this is gonna be. This place is pretty nice, but there's a lot of people here. I wanted to cook some chili, but there's so many freaking people here. The one guy by yourself, people don't like that. People don't like to see you by yourself. That's just a fact. They think something's up. Anyway, I'm gonna go down here and look over this overlook, and I might find another spot to go. Found me a good spot to park and make me something to eat. I'm gonna make me a bowl of chili. and I'm gonna go over there and walk along the rim of this canyon. Then after that, we'll find something good to do, I promise. Very nice. We got a canyon. Well, it's in Georgia, it's not Tennessee, but we got one. Yeah, I just seen a snake. I think I'm done. That is Cloudland Canyon in near Trenton, Georgia. It's just basically, it's just kind of right across the Tennessee state line into Georgia. So not bad. It's a little early in the day and I'm not ready to go home yet. Let's see what we can scrounge out on Gia Maps. And we'll find something. And well, that's a good spot to go. Speed limit's 15. Here I am doing 30. Well, the park was nice. It had there was a lot of high school kids. 3 bus loads of high school kids were there. So it was kind of crowded to get to the overlooks and stuff. But anyway, speaking of high school kids, I think I'm gonna get me a Subway. You get it? We were at Noccalula Falls. GPS is going crazy on me. We're gonna goof around here and look at that freaking squirrel. All right. Place is pretty cool, very nice. So the story of Noccalula Falls is Noccalula, the Cherokee Indian girl, she jumped off those waterfalls because she didn't want to get married. She was going to be in an arranged marriage with a Creek Indian by her father, and she didn't want to, so she jumped off. Just ended it. She wasn't having it, and that's how she handled it. That's the story of Noccalula Falls. notice that the GoPro makes everything look flatter than it really is. Like those mountains over there, I look at them right now and they're huge, but you look at them through the GoPro screen and they're much flatter. Yeah, that was the lookout over Dunlap. And now I'm on my way home. Hope you enjoyed the video, and go back and look at my other videos. They're pretty good too.